Today we're painting buildings on Main Street. All of us are from STSS, and we're just coming and spreading Christmas cheer with everyone in Stouffville.
The Village of Stouffville partnered with Stouffville District Secondary School to actually paint holiday-themed windows on 20 businesses. We had 40 students that participated, and each group worked with the business owner to come up with a theme for their windows. And it's all part of our public art program that we're wanting to expand down here in the village.
I love having young people come in and giving them opportunities to experiment with their artistic visions. I think it also gives them a great opportunity to connect with people in their community.
I think we just want to do something for the community, so we kind of decided to do this. So we each got a business and we got to paint for that business. I think it's a nice break from the typical heavy projects we're used to doing. So this is something we got done in one day and have fun with it.
When they see their work, they feel accomplished. Giving them the opportunity to draw on the windows of businesses on the street of Stouffville, it encourages them to, pursue their passion. And I believe that every time they walk past or they drive past and they see their work, they're always very proud of it. And we're also very proud of them.
Just drew this because we knew that we were gonna be painting it on the window, so just nice Christmas, casual.
Listen, if every business had a painted window, then we would have a real draw for downtown. And if every year every student tried to make it more spectacular, bigger and better than all the years prior, we would have something really show-stopping.
We just want to encourage other business owners to participate next year. We're going to partner again with the high school and maybe some other artists in town. We want to grow this, broaden it, and bring the Christmas and holiday spirit to Main Street once again next year.